At Ross University School of Medicine, our medical sciences curriculum is designed to prepare students from day one for the realities of clinical practice and their future careers as physicians. Our curriculum emphasizes clinical integration early and often. From the beginning, students are taught to apply clinical reasoning alongside foundational science concepts. This thoughtful approach builds a deeper understanding of how basic sciences connect to patient care. We use an organ systems-based model that is highly integrated and logical in design. For example, during the neuroscience module, students may study the spinal cord, reflexes, and behavioral aspects of spinal cord injury, all within a single day. This integrative style helps students see how anatomy, physiology, behavior, and clinical scenarios work together. Throughout the curriculum, we intentionally combine the study of basic sciences with clinical medicine. Students are introduced to the process of clinical reasoning and patient-centered thinking early in their training. So by the time they reach clinical rotations, they're ready to apply what they've learned in real-world settings. The program is rigorous and comprehensive, demanding excellence across multiple disciplines. But students are not alone. Our faculty, resources, and supportive environment are all here to help them succeed. Students often say, "We have the tools, we just have to use them." That spirit of ownership and responsibility is key to success in medical school and beyond. Our dedicated faculty are full-time and on-site, providing students with consistent access to expert support. Whether it's a question about a lecture or a deeper discussion about clinical relevance, collaboration between students and faculty is a cornerstone of the learning experience. Ultimately, our goal is to shape medical students who not only understand the science of medicine, but can apply it in ways that are meaningful to patients and are impactful in clinical practice.